Welcome to the Social Success Kickstarter Challenge. So thrilled to have you here. I'm Megan. I'm an onboarding coach here at MeetEdgar, and as you're going throughout this challenge, the checklist attached to this email is going to help keep you accountable because we all need a little accountability in life, and it's also going to keep it a really fun and challenging place to up-level your social media. I want to give you all the confidence in the world, though, that this is completely possible. If you are showing up and getting in your MeetEdgar account to take the actions of creating your categories, adding your status updates, scheduling them to go out, adding some rich media to your content, and coming to some of our Facebook Lives and our LinkedIn Lives and commenting on them and engaging in the strategies that we're teaching, that's all you have to do to be entered to win that iPhone 11 and a slew of other really fun prizes. So download the checklist and make a commitment to yourself to follow along with each one of these emails coming to you. If you do have any questions throughout this, we are going to have stuff like our office hours available, and we're going to have content batching parties every single month where you can come and interact live with me and create this really great challenge community where we're able to support each other's social media success. So download that checklist, email me back if you have any questions at all. Join me at an office hours session. The link will be in your email. Those are run every day, and you can pop in and out to ask any questions, whether it's about setting up MeetEdgar or this challenge. And I will see you in the next video.